Many modern malware campaigns are designed for the long game. They get in, stay hidden, and wait for the right moment to act. Malware is short for malicious software, code designed to gain unauthorized access and operate inside a system. So, how does it get in? It's usually through something that looks legitimate: a phishing email, a malicious attachment, a fake software update, or a compromised website. Once you interact with it, the code runs in the background and may download more malicious software onto your device, often so seamlessly that you don't even realize anything happened. Some types of malware are designed to stay on your system once they're inside. In other words, malware can be persistent. It tries to stay on your system for as long as it can. And that's possible because the software can change settings so it runs every time your computer starts. Some versions even blend in with normal system activity so they don't stand out. Others try to disable security tools or avoid being detected by them. And while it's there, it can do different things. Some let the attacker monitor your activity and wait for you to log in so they can steal passwords or banking details. And some encrypt your files and demand payment. It really depends on what the attacker is trying to accomplish.